HeyGen's new Avatar V just dropped today, and it's a huge leap for AI videos. Even this video you are watching right now is created using Avatar 5. If you make content with AI tools, this is one of those updates you do not want to ignore. HeyGen has just launched Avatar V, its latest avatar model, and the big idea behind it is pretty wild. You can create a persistent digital identity from a short reference video, then use it to generate realistic talking avatar videos that keep the same person's look, style, and natural expressions. And this is exactly why it matters for creators. For a long time, AI avatars were useful, but they still felt a little too robotic. This new version is built to be much more realistic, with better identity preservation. HeyGen says Avatar V generates high-resolution talking avatar videos from a single reference video and a driving audio track, which is a big step forward for anyone making explainer videos, faceless content, ads, or online courses. Now think about what that means in real life. Instead of setting up a camera, lights, and recording equipment every time, you can build one avatar and use it again and again. That can save a lot of time for YouTubers, freelancers, educators, and businesses that need content fast. It also opens the door to consistent branding, multilingual videos, and a much faster production workflow. HeyGen's platform already supports AI video creation, avatars, voice, and multiple languages, so Avatar V fits right into that bigger system. What makes this launch especially interesting is that HeyGen is clearly pushing beyond basic avatar generation and into something closer to a real digital twin workflow. Their research post describes a production-scale model trained to preserve identity and expressive detail, and that is exactly the kind of progress that makes AI video tools feel less like a gimmick and more like a serious content engine. So overall, Avatar V feels like a major upgrade for AI video creation. If you are following AI tools for content, freelancing, or business, this is one of the biggest launches to pay attention to right now. Friends, this video is fully created using HeyGen's video agent just from a single prompt and my script. I didn't even edit it, HeyGen made this full video. If you want to learn how to do the same, watch this video appearing in the screen. First, open HeyGen from the link in the description. If you're new to HeyGen, you can easily sign up using Google. Now you'll be on the homepage. On the left side, find and click on Video Agent and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can select the avatar you want to use to create the video. This avatar can even be your digital twin. If you don't know how to create your digital twin, I've already made a full video on that. You can check it out after watching this one. So click on Avatar. Here you can choose any presenter from public avatars, or you can use your own from My Avatars. I'm going to select My Avatars and choose this one. I usually create finance related videos on my other YouTube channel using this avatar. Now let's select a look for this avatar. From the style option, you can choose any pre-made video style. I'm not going to choose one because my avatar already looks good. Now let's go back to the video agent. Here you can describe your video idea. You can simply tell it, hey, make a video on this topic for YouTube or any other platform, and it will create the video for you. But I prefer using my own script, so I'll do that. I say, hey, create a video from this script and then paste my full script here. I'm creating an in-video art for one of my ebooks where I've combined 100 real stories of big businesses that faced real problems and how they solved them. You can check out that book from the description as well. Now let's copy the script and paste it into the video agent. Before generating the video, let's look at some settings. If you click on this idea icon, the agent will enhance your prompt. I don't like using this because I want my original script. From the plus icon, you can upload media or resources. For example, if you're creating an ad for your product, you can upload product images or videos here and the video agent will use them. Yes, it's that advanced. In this case, I could upload my ebook cover, but I let HeyGen's AI handle everything. I believe it will generate a great cover image on its own. Now, if you click on this icon, you'll see two more options. The first lets you adjust the video duration. I'll leave it on auto. The second lets you choose the format, either landscape or portrait. I'll select landscape. From here, you can either chat or generate the video. I'll go straight to generate. Now let's generate the video. As you can see, the agent is analyzing everything and what it will create the A roll, collect and generate B roll, process everything and edit the full video. This process will use some credits, so you'll need a creator plan to use this feature. Now the video is ready, let's check it.
Power players, listen carefully. We are not born with every kind of knowledge. We learn by observing, by seeing how people solve real problems, storing that knowledge in our minds, and later using it to solve our own. Business works the same way. When you start a business, you don't automatically know how to solve every problem. You have to think, experiment, and test many ideas. But if you already understand how other businesses faced problems and solved them, you can apply that knowledge to your own business much faster. That's why I wrote the ebook 100 Real Business Problems and Solutions. In this book, you'll learn how real companies face difficult problems and the exact ways they solve them. And the truth is, many of these problems appear in almost every business. So grab the book, store those lessons in your mind, and when similar challenges appear in your business, you'll solve them almost without realizing you were even in a problem. That's the power of learning. Now let's get back to the video.
Awesome. As you can see, the agent edited the video perfectly. It used stock footage, generated its own clips, and even created a premium image of my book cover. Now let's see how to change any part if needed. I want to update the 7th scene with an animated infographic that represents problem solving. So I asked the agent to revise the 7th scene and shared my idea. It will take a few minutes. Great, it's ready. Let's check it again.
But if you already understand how other businesses faced problems and solved them, you can apply that knowledge to your own business much faster.
Perfect. It updated the video exactly how I wanted. So this is how HeyGen's AI video agent can create and edit a full video without using any editor. This tool launched just a few months ago and it's already amazing. Imagine how powerful it will be in 1-2 years. If you want more videos about the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.